The reason I have got this watch is because of this ECG. I just fancy how it works, and so that's why I got this watch. So ECG, if we click on it, you see to set up ECG, open the Health app on your iPhone. So we have here, we open this. Yeah, we have a summary. We have this browse. Yeah, maybe we need to go to the heart. Okay, so we have got electrocardiogram ECG. You get in there. You can take an ECG on Apple Watch ECG app, record your heartbeat using digital crown of your Apple Watch. The app then check recording for atrial fibrillation, a form of irregular rhythm. It's anything option, add to favorite, whatever. So we can press set up. Set up app. Enable your date of birth to continue. Date of birth required. So we can give the date of birth. So after I provided the date of birth, it's saying unable to confirm your location. Make sure your iPhone is not in airplane mode and has a working SIM card to proceed. Okay, I will disable the airplane mode. Now you can see I have got a mobile signal, and now I can click OK here. So I can click continue. So this screen just showing some information. We can click continue to say. And this is explain the possible result if you take the ECG. We can say continue. Here just some warning, 4 things you should know. The first thing is cannot detect the heart attack. So next, it cannot detect a blood clot or stroke. Next, it cannot detect other heart-related condition. Next, if you are not feeling well, you should talk to your doctor. At the warning, and we say continue. Yeah, I think we have finished the setup. But just this last screen just to show you how to take your first ECG, record for 30 seconds, and your finger touch the digital crown of your watch, and wearing a watch on your wrist, and then you can take your first ECG. So now on the app, it's saying to take an accurate ECG, your Apple Watch needs to be snug on the wrist selected in the setting. Currently, that's your left wrist. So the OK or update setting, if you can click OK. Now it started. So you can wear your watch and then press the button for 30 seconds. Use your right hand finger if you wear it on the left wrist. So that's how to take a ECG. Now I have taken ECG. It's saying the normal result. And also on the Apple Watch, you can see setup complete. And the first ECG taken, we can click down. So that result you can see. So if you're going down, there's some data. So when this happened. And also here, it's just they recorded ECG. If we going back, you can see this initial screen. We have one data, it's a normal one. And there's some also information about ECG. So that's about how to set up your ECG and take the first ECG with the Apple Watch 4 or later and your iPhone together.